Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to an introduction to helping verbs. Let's review our helping verbs that we have, all 23 of them, and then jump right into some sentences. So, if you remember, we've got 23 helping verbs. Let's go ahead and review them. Am is are, was and were. Be being been. Have had, do does did, might must may. Can and could, would and should, shall and will. Let's go ahead and say those together one more time just to review. So we have am is are, was and were, be being been, has have had, do does did, might must may. Can and could, would and should, shall and will. This makes So just like a prepositional phrase, we're going to be looking at verb phrases. Usually when you have a verb phrase, we've got our verb here, and we've got two helping verbs. Usually those verb phrases are going to be right next to each other. Now there's a couple differences, and we'll talk about that. So, on to the first sentence. Oh, look at how cute they are, this one and this one. So, let's go ahead. The cows have been mooing. Now you'll notice I'm trying to keep our verb phrases highlighted because it's important that we keep them together. So, the cows have been mooing. What have been mooing? Cows. Subject, noun. What is being said about cows? Have been mooing. Verb. So now we're left with these two verbs, these helping verbs in front of our main verb. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and label those. So, have, helping verb. Been, helping verb. And then we continue the sentence just as you usually do it. That's it, guys. Let's try another one. So, SpongeBob will be dancing. Who will be dancing? SpongeBob. Subject, noun. What is being said about SpongeBob? SpongeBob will be dancing. Verb. Will, helping verb. Be, helping verb. Subject, noun. Verb. Pattern 1, check. Exclamation point, strong feeling, exclamatory sentence. Go back to the verb and divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. And notice I divided. I kept my verb phrase together. You divide before the verb phrase. Now looking at this sentence, there's a very important adverb in here, and that is not. As we classify this, I want you to use this information down below to help say it aloud with me, just because that way you'll get to see how not is used in this sentence. So, Bobby has not gone to his friend's house today. Who has not gone to his friend's house today? Bobby. Subject, noun, naughty Bobby. What is being said about Bobby? Bobby has gone. Verb. Now, real quick, I want you to notice something. If you notice, it says Bobby has gone, but our sentence says has not gone. We're going to save the opposite part for after. So let's continue on from there again. So from right here. What is being said about Bobby? Bobby has gone. Verb. Has, helping verb. Has gone how? Not. Adverb. That's the tricky part of it. Now it's easy. To, preposition. To what? House. Object of the preposition. Whose house? Friends. Possessive. Noun. Adjective. Whose friend? His. Possessive. Pronoun. Adjective. Has gone when? Today. Adverb. Subject, noun. Verb. Pattern 1, check. To his friend's house. Prepositional phrase. Period. Statement. Declarative sentence. Go back to the verb and divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. So once again, we divide before the verb phrase. Helping verb right there, which shows us that. So let's take a nearly identical sentence here, except with a unicorn and a hot dog. I could battle them. Ha, ha, ha. But back to being serious. So let's do this together. So, the unicorn did not eat on his friend's couch yesterday. What did not eat on his friend's couch yesterday? Unicorn. Subject, noun. Now remember, we're going to kind of ignore the word not for right now because it's an adverb. So, what is being said about unicorn? Unicorn did eat, verb. Did, helping verb. Did eat how? Not, adverb. On, preposition. On what? Couch, object of the preposition. Whose couch? Friends. Possessive, noun, adjective. Remember. See that right there? Right there. Apostrophe S. Apostrophe S most likely means possessive noun adjective. So continuing on. Whose friend? His. Possessive pronoun adjective. Did eat when? Yesterday. Adverb. The article adjective. Subject noun. Verb. Pattern 1, check. On his friend's couch. Prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Once again, keep that verb phrase together. Okay, so the last kind of sentence we might end up seeing as we do more Shurley like this. Notice we've got a helping verb at the beginning. So that means we have predicate words in the complete subject. So you know what that means. But we'll wait for that at the end. So, was the unicorn eating noisily on the couch? What was eating noisily on the couch? Unicorn. Subject noun. What is being said about unicorn? Unicorn was eating. Verb. Was. Helping verb. Notice we got all the verb phrase stuff out of the way ahead of time. Eating how? Noisily. Adverb. On. Preposition. On what? Couch. Object of the preposition. The article adjective. The article adjective. Subject noun. Verb. Pattern 1. Check. On the couch. Prepositional phrase. Question mark. Question, interrogative sentence. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject between the complete predicate. But wait, normally I said you want to keep the helping verb right along with the verb. But in this case, you can't. So what we're going to do instead is we're still going to divide the verb. But then we get to say this particular phrase. And I just noticed that I did not write helping verb correctly. So we need to say, this sentence has predicate words in the complete subject. Underline the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence twice. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it. You've made it.